Have you ever deleted an app that you need on your phone and you can't seem to find it? No need to stress. We've got a simple solution. This video will guide you through how to see recently deleted apps on your device, whether you're using an iOS or Android phone. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you liked this video. Have you ever lost an important app on your Android phone? It can be super frustrating, but don't worry. Recovering it is easier than you might think. Unlock your Android device and go to the Google Play Store app. Tap on your profile icon located at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. From the menu, select Manage Apps and Device. Click on Manage tab. Click on Installed to bring a drop-down menu, then select Not Installed. Select the app you want to restore, and then tap on the Install button to reinstall it on your device. Have you ever accidentally deleted an app on your iPhone and don't know how to get it back? Don't worry, it's super easy. Unlock your iPhone and go to the App Store. Tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Find the Purchased section and tap on it. Tap on the Not on this iPhone tab. You will see an app history, which is a list of apps you previously installed that are not on your iPhone. Tap on the download icon on the right side of the app icon you want to restore. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.